Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread microwave easy method. Mash 2 ripe bananas and mix with 1 egg, 1 cup flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 2 tablespoon oil, 1 tsp baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Stir until just combined, pour into a greased microwave-safe loaf pan, and cook on high for 5 to 7 minutes depending on microwave power and loaf size. Start by measuring ingredients and preheating the microwave to its usual high setting mentally. Mash the bananas smoothly, but leave some texture for moistness. Combine dry ingredients separately, then fold into the banana mixture with 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 beaten egg. Pour into the pan, tap gently to remove air pockets, and wipe any batter from the rim to prevent spills inside the cook time varies by microwave wattage, so start with 5 minutes and add time in 30-second increments if needed. A toothpick should come out with a few moist crumbs, but no raw batter. Let the loaf sit covered for 2 to 3 minutes to finish setting and cool slightly for easier slicing. For add-ins like nuts or chocolate chips, fold them in gently to avoid sinking before cooking.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.